this from Hot Topic. I think you can get them on Amazon too. They had 10s and 11s, but I got 11 because I like 11 better than 10. Don't 11. I have no problem with 10, but 11 is just my favorite. I like 11. Yeah. I got this sonic screwdriver, which I'll show you. I'll show you about it. And then, hold on. Bear with me here. No, I'll show the sonic screwdriver in this part, and then we'll do part 2 with the other thing I got. Anyways, okay, so, see this button here? Well, you can't really, there's no light, but there's, 2 little black buttons on this black part. Now, the one above it is sort of a circle-ish, and you press that, the claws extend, and you do this to go back in. The button underneath it does this, and then there's this, then there's this, and then there's this. Oh no. The sort of alarm one, you press it twice, and then on the third one, you hit it, and then you don't just hold it twice. You'll have to actually just quickly press it twice, and then on the third, it will do that, and then you press it quickly 3 times, and then on the 4th, you hold it down, it does this. Oh. There we go, you get this sort of staticky thing. Now, this button doesn't work anymore when you have the claws extended, so there's a little button here, yeah, and then there's a button down here, yeah, and it just looks weird to have this out, so I usually use the button up here, even though it's a pain to use. It just looks better than holding it like this and having this out. So, yeah, sonic screwdriver part basically done. Oh, to get the batteries out, you just twist it to the right once, and then you move this up, and then, this button you can use to use it like this too. I don't recommend it though. You see, I have the batteries in there, but yeah, there are 2 screws you have to unscrew right there, and then yeah, you just pop it back in. Get it down in, actually get it down in, and then, there. Now you have it down in, you move to the left once, and there you go. Have the batteries in. This part done. Doo-doo.